This is the sign for always. Okay, we're going to use our index finger with your dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so my index finger, here we are. Put it over here, and we're going to do 2 circles. And during the whole thing, the finger is pointing straight up, okay? Always. Always. From the side, always. Other side, always. All right, from the front once again, always. Let's do it together. Sign 3 times, starting from the rest position. Always. 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 All right, when you're signing this sign, if it's a good thing, like the mailman always comes at 3, and I love it, always. All right, if it's like the neighbor's dog always poops in my yard, it's like always. All right, you can put in a facial expression to support communicating the situation. Okay, so remember, index finger, your dominant hand, the palm is facing in. Just do a couple circles. Always. This was the sign for always.